You can ditch the deep frying because these air fryer fried pickles come out just as crispy and are secretly so much healthier for you. Hey there, I'm Lena Brazil and you are watching Evolving Table, where we make good food that's also good for you, like these air fryer pickles. They're covered in a crunchy breadcrumb coating and cooked with absolutely zero, zilch, nada oil. So let's go ahead and jump straight in and start cooking some up. Both homemade and store-bought pickles will work great. And if you need a quick pickles recipe, don't worry, I've got you covered. This one is absolutely delicious. So when you're making these at home, you can either start with whole dill pickles and then cut them into slices, or use the ones that already come as chips. Having just the right thickness is a pretty important step in making sure you get the perfect pickle to coating ratio. So I'm going to be slicing whole pickles today. To do this, you'll want to first cut and discard both ends from about 7 to 8 whole dill pickles. This is normally what you'll find in a 24-ounce jar. Then cut the pickles into 1/4 inch slices. You should end up with somewhere between 40 to 50 slices. Once you've got all of those sliced up, you'll want to get your coating station ready. Much like when you make a chicken parmesan, we're going to be using a 3-bowl technique today. In the first shallow bowl, you'll want to add 1/4 cup of flour. A gluten-free 1-to-1 blend may be used. In the second shallow bowl, add 1 large egg and 2 tablespoons of milk. Regular oat or cashew milk can all be used. Whisk until well combined. In the last shallow bowl, add 1 cup of plain breadcrumbs. This is the gluten-free brand I'm using today. And the seasoning ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Toss ingredients until combined. Dip a pickle slice into the flour mixture, making sure to shake off any excess. Then dredge it in the egg wash. A fork is good to use here so any extra egg wash can easily drip off. Also, make sure to use a separate fork for each bowl. And then coat it with the breadcrumbs. It helps if you press the crumb mixture into the pickles to really get it to stick. Repeat this process with the remaining slices, coating multiple at a time to speed up the process. Now moving on to our air fryer. I've got a 6-quart Cosori air fryer here. I love this one because it's got a great square-shaped basket, which maximizes the space available for fitting things in a single layer. A smaller air fryer may also be used. You'll just need to cook them in multiple batches. Place 1/2 of the coated pickle slices in a single layer in the air fryer basket. And then spray them with non-stick cooking spray. Set the air fryer to 400 degrees and cook for 9 to 11 minutes. Halfway through cooking, flip the pickle chips over and spray the other side with additional non-stick cooking spray. Continue cooking until the coating is golden and crispy. Repeat with the remaining pickle slices. These air-fried pickles taste incredible on their own, or dipped in a bit of ranch dressing. Oh my gosh, these are so good. And speaking of ranch, you have got to check out this homemade ranch dressing. It can be ready before your pickles are even done cooking. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.